Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to study Chapter 5 Seeds and Seeds. So, children, let's start our chapter with a story. There was a boy named Gopal who was waiting for his Moses family to visit them. Moses family will be coming the next day for their holidays. He was thinking about all the fun and the nice food that they will eat together. Just then, his mother called out, Gopal, before you sleep, please remember to soak two small bowls of chanas because Gopal's mother was going to his Bua's house and would return in the morning. While soaking the chana, Gopal thought only two small bowls of chana will be enough for 8 persons, so he was in doubt. So he soaked two more bowls of chana. When his mother returned the next morning, she saw that the chana was overflowing from the vessel in which Gopal soaked the chanas. So mother asked, how much did you soak? When Gopal soaked, he wondered, how did this happen? So children, do you know why did chanas overflow from the vessel? Chanas got overflow from the vessel because when chanas are soaked into the water, they became double of its size. Like a sponge absorbs water and become big in size. So, children, seeds absorb water and swells are into double of its size. So, mother said, you soaked too much. Anyway, it is good. Now, I will cook half and leave the other half to make sprouts. I can send sprouts to your aunt because the doctor had told her to eat sprouts. Sprouts are the most healthy food available for us. So she tied half of the soaked chana in a wet cloth and hung them up for making sprouts. Now let's do an activity. For these, you need some chanas and 3 bowls. Put 5 chanas in the first bowl and fill it up with water. Put a damp piece of cloth of some cotton wool in the second bowl. Now keep the same number of chanas in it. Make sure the cotton wool or cotton cloth remains wet. In the third bowl, put chanas and do not put anything else in it. Means no water. And cover all the 3 bowls. Now you have to observe after 2 days and note the changes in the bowls. First, are the seeds getting air? In the first bowl, no. They are not getting air. Second, yes. And third, yes. Secondly, are the seeds getting water? In the first bowl, yes, because we soaked in water. Second bowl, again, yes. And third, no. Third, what changes did you see? First bowl, the seeds swelled up. Second bowl, swelled up and sprouted also. Third bowl, no change. Have the seeds sprouted? In the first bowl, no. Then only swelled up. Second bowl, yes, they sprouted. Third bowl, no. Children, only in the second bowl the seed got air as well as sufficient moisture. So these seeds sprouted. The seeds would not show any change in the absence of water and air. Sprouted time of seed may vary according to the temperature and humidity of the weather. When you split the whole masoor, you get masoor dal. But then you cannot sprout. Can you think why? We cannot sprout masoor dal because the sprouting is the process during which the seeds germinate and the shoots came out of the seed and then a new baby plant comes out. When the seed split up in the center of the seed, it loses the capacity of sprouting. So, sprouting capacity of masoor is lost after it is split. Now, let's see what is inside the seed. Seed is protected by a tough outer coat of called seed coat. Food storage, it provides the embryo plant with food. Lastly, the very important part is called embryo. Embryo grows into plant. Seed become plant in a process is called germination. Next, plant which hunt. There are some plants which trap and eat frogs, insects, and even mice. The pictured plant is one such plant. It is found in Australia, Indonesia, and Meghalaya. It has a picture-like shape and mouth is covered by a leaf. The plant has a special smell that attracts insects to it. When, when the insect lands on the mouth of the plant, it gets trapped and cannot get out. The special smell comes out from a liquid. The liquid is actually contains chemicals that could slowly munch and swallow the skins of its prey until it dissolves completely. What a clever way to hunt. Okay? The rest of the chapter will continue in the next class. Thank you.